Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I have a REALME 7i and today I'll show you how to bypass the verification on this phone. The phone is locked and I would need to provide the pattern previously set, but we'll bypass it. Start spamming the back button to go back to the first page. Click on emergency call and enter *813#. Once you press the hash, it closes off the setup. From here, go into Settings, scroll down, go to Additional Settings, then Backup and Reset. Select Erase All Data, confirm, and the process will begin, performing a factory reset. This will remove anything blocking the setup. Once the reset is complete, you'll be back at the setup screen. Progress through the setup again and you can skip the Wi-Fi connection. That's how you bypass the verification on this phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.